Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your decided session, pre-decided session, today I am going to discuss the Frobenius method in ordinary differential equation. Please write the topic of discussion for today, the Frobenius, the Frobenius method in ODE. In the previous class, kindly recall the Legendre equations and the Bessel's equations. We are going to see some specific changes of these two changes. You can say we are going to see a little bit change in the pattern and the format of these two equations that leads to a new type of differential equation, and that is Frobenius the method of Frobenius. What is the method of Frobenius? Frobenius is the name of a mathematician, and you see the language we have studied how to solve many differential equations by a series solution. In this section, we learn how to extend series solution to a class of differential equation. In the previous lecture, we have learned that how to solve differential equation through series solution. Now, the series solution is leading to a class of differential equation that appear first at a glance to diverge in our region of interest. So let us consider the differential equation. Please note this as equation 1, 2x square plus y double dash means second derivative plus 7x into x minus 1 into y dash means first derivative minus 3y is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And we are interested in finding the series solution of this equation, the vicinity of x naught is equal to 0. Your first instinct might be divided. Divide each term to produce. Divide this equation 1 by 2x square. Then what will happen? This will take this part. In the vicinity of x naught is equal to 0, it appears that this equation is undefined and will not yield meaningful solution to the equation 1 near 0. Because if you put here 0, then the term will be like indeterminate. So the necessary condition for solving equation of the form of 2, if you are getting a equation of this form as equation 2, then what is the necessary condition? The method of Frobenius provide us with a method of adapting our series solution technique to solve equation like this with certain condition hold. Let us consider now those conditions. First, we will write our second order differential equation as this. We are going to write this differential equation as this, as Frobenius method suggests. Then we transform this Px is equal to this as here, and Qs is equal to this. Here both the theorem of Frobenius shows that both x minus x naught Px and x minus x naught square Qx have meaningful series solution around x naught. And then a series solution to the differential equation can be found. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is the Frobenius method of solving a ordinary differential equation, solving an ordinary differential equation. This session, the digital version, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. And in case of any query, students are requested that you write your comment in the chat box or in the inbox. In case of your any doubt, I will be joined from there. Thank you for enjoying and listening this topic. This is the method of Frobenius. You should adopt this method. And the incident, the indicial equation and the values of R. You should note this. I hope that you can understand this. If you find any problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture.